everybody, my name is Trix. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get pretty much infinite render distance on Minecraft Java Edition. Now I have done it for Bedrock. If you guys want to see that, it'll be on the iCard above. But anyways, this isn't technically infinite, it's just how to get past the slider in the video settings. So let's do this. What I mean by that is if you have like a limiting like render distance like 32 for example on my PC and you want to get like let's say 64, this is how to do it. Anyways, first thing you want to do is type in %app data % and then enter. Now if you sort by name, it's the first thing that should come up, .minecraft. Double click on that. Now go to options.txt. It's a whole ton easier on Java Edition than it is on Bedrock, guys. So now that you can see all your options in game, you just want to go to, where is it? You want to go right here, render distance, and this is the chunks that you can see. On Bedrock Edition it's the blocks in every direction, but this is a whole ton easier, it's using chunks. So let's say you want to do 64 chunk render distance. Just type in 64, 128, 128. You know what I mean. Now you just want to X, save. This does also work on all the installations, guys, so you can play on another update just fine. Alright, so now we're here, we can go to our options, video settings, and as you can see, 64 chunks. Now, like Bedrock Edition, if you edit this bar at all, it'll reset, so unless you want to reset it, like when you're done with 64 chunks, don't touch that. Alright, let's just create a new world so we can test this. So there should be 64 chunks running now. Obviously, it is a whole ton harder to do this on Java Edition than Bedrock in terms of your PC. Bedrock Edition is a whole ton more lightweight to play, so it's always easier to play with higher render distance on Bedrock than on Java. Let's let this load out so you guys can see actually what 64 chunks looks like. So while you're rendering everything in, your FPS is going to take a major hit. I'm at 12 FPS right now. You guys can see my specs on the right side, so 64 chunks is not very fun to play on. Of course, we are on the snapshot though and not an Optifine, so when Optifine comes out in the near future for this snapshot and for the actual full version, when that comes out, we should see better performance. And actually on any full release you should see better performance. Like I said, this is on the snapshot for the latest Nether update, so when the full version comes out you should see better performance. Alright, looks like it stopped rendering, so that's what 64 chunks looks like in this direction. So, as you can see, if you're on like a monitor like I am, of course if you're on like a phone you won't be able to see as many details, but it's really taxing if you're playing on low resolutions like me, because you can see a lot of the, first of all, I'm at 10 FPS, but it's really hard to see in the distance because of like the lack of anti-aliasing in Minecraft. It's a blocky game, so things become disfigured like the farther you look. Like this is all just green to me. Maybe I'm not wearing my glasses, but it's not all that fun. So obviously if you have like a NASA supercomputer you should be able to run this just fine, but for most of you guys you might want to not try this on a survival world. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see the Bedrock version of this, I'll have it in the iCard like I said. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.